Hey everyone, welcome back to Wrath of Math. In today's video, we've got a real classic for you. We're answering the question, what is the vertical line test, and going over how to use it. The vertical line test is just a handy visual way of checking to see if a relation is a function. Remember that a relation has a domain of elements, and elements in the domain relate to elements in the range of the function. In a relation, it is perfectly okay for an element in the domain to relate to more than one element in the range. So a relation like this is perfectly acceptable, but such a relation is not a function. In order for a relation to be a function, every element in the domain must relate to exactly one element in the range. So if we had a relation like this is a function. So the vertical line test is just a visual way of checking to see if a relation has this property and is therefore a function or not. Let's jump into an example to see it in action. So here is a graph of the relation y equals x. Of course, we all know that this is a function, but how would we determine that using the vertical line test? Here's how the vertical line test works. It tells us that if any vertical line intersects a relation at more than one point, then that relation is not a function. Otherwise, the relation is a function. So if no vertical line intersects the relation more than once, then the relation is a function. We see here that all of our vertical lines appear to intersect the relation only once. So, using the vertical line test, we conclude that this relation is indeed a function. Of course, we can't possibly draw a vertical line through every point of this function because it continues infinitely in either direction. But we know its behavior way over here is the same as its behavior over here, so we can pretty confidently use this little snapshot to apply the vertical line test. If you're not yet sure why this test works to determine if a relation is a function, hopefully the next example will clear things up a little bit. So here is a sketch of the relation x equals y squared. So in this relation, a value of x is related to a value of y if x equals y squared. Let's say we apply our vertical line test at x equals 0. Then our vertical line intersects this relation at one point, the origin. And so that might suggest to us that this relation is a function. But of course, doing that would be neglecting to look at the rest of the graph, where the relation behaves differently. If we then do a vertical line test at x equals 1, which let's say is about here, then we immediately see that this relation fails the vertical line test, because our vertical line intersects the relation twice. This point here would be 1, 1, and this point here would be 1, negative 1, because 1 equals 1 squared, and 1 equals negative 1 squared. And so this relation is not a function. The vertical line test works because if an element in the domain relates to multiple elements in the range, then there will be a vertical line that intersects the relation more than once. So that is how the vertical line test works. You just look at the graph of a relation and see would any vertical line intersect this relation more than once. If the answer is no, no vertical line will intersect the relation more than once, then the relation is a function. It passes the test. However, if there does exist a vertical line that intersects the relation more than once, then that relation fails the vertical line test and is not a function. In practice, the vertical line test, of course, is not foolproof, because you can't always see an entire relation in a little sketch of a graph. For example, if we had only been given this little piece of this relation, it would have passed the vertical line test. But when we can see more of the relation, we easily see that it fails the vertical line test. But if a graph gives you a good snapshot of a relation, then the vertical line test is a quick and easy way to tell if it is a function. Remember that the vertical line test is just testing to see if there is an element in the domain of the relation that is related to more than one element in the range. If no element in the domain is related to more than one element in the range, then it passes the vertical line test and is a function. So I hope this video helped you understand the vertical line test and how to use it, as well as the principle behind it. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, need anything clarified, or have any other video requests. Thank you all very much for watching. I'll see you next time, and be sure to subscribe for the swankiest math lessons on the internet. And a big thanks to Valo, who, upon my request, kindly gave me permission to use his music in my math lessons. Link to his music in the description.
You always ask how I am. What's it look like to you? I'm sick of these plans.